Look at that stack. Oh my God. Let's count some money up today. All right, we're at our Hyundai dealership here. We're servicing this machine for a bad call. They had like 14 bucks in it, and we're just gonna fill up what we can with gas. Actually, we're gonna fill up the gas that we used the night prior and that same day. And it puts us at 10.47, so we had like $3 and change left over. This is the fun part. This is prior to me taking any money out of this machine. I am currently testing a couple things out, and I had to run a lot of bills through the vending machines to make sure everything was working. But that's an awesome stack. I'm stoked about that. So this is after I've ran all those bills through, and they're in the snack machine now. So I was programming the snack machine to give me cash sales reports on each column. Oh, that's such a good site. Oh man, I love going to this location. This is after 7 days of being at this location. This beautiful, beautiful site. Did I get this? Oh yeah, look at all those coins. Look at them all. There's so many. Oh man, I'm actually going to be servicing this location again. For me right now, it's Wednesday. I'm going to be servicing it again tomorrow. Look at that happy face. I still haven't cleaned the bottom of this machine. I really need to do that. So we've got a nice little setup here. I found a place to put the camera that's not so low. And then we're going to put that back and grab some bills. Now, this is a little bit harder because I removed the bill acceptor altogether and already had some cash in the bill acceptor prior. This happened when I did the MDB update and put credit card readers on this machine. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and count up everything we made today from this run. And then we're going to go out, purchase product, fill the gas tank, and give you a grand total. So, without further ado, oh, something else I wanted to mention. I don't know if you guys noticed in the last few videos, or if you're new to the channel, this has been a problem with this guy lately, is quarters like to get caught in the sleeves here, so I've stopped putting the sleeves in. We're just going to pull the sleeves right out, and my bank doesn't take rolled quarters anyway. They prefer for us to put it in the Coinstar, and then they just trade us for free so we don't have to pay for the Coinstar. So I'm going to pull these out before we get anywhere into this. Oh, I guess I'm going to throw stuff everywhere too. I really don't think we're gonna go any more than too deep on those, but we might fill up the quarters. So alright guys, let's pull all this out just to give you some sort of perspective here. Oh jeez. Is there any more coins in there? There's that. This is 7 days on this account. I'm thoroughly impressed. Mind you, I had to fill up a coin mech too, so there's like $40 missing from all this. That was crazy. Okay. Now I'm gonna go fast. Alright guys, so everything said and done is what we're about to get at here. So we've got 33 here. We've got 301s. Oh, you can't see the 33. We've got 33 right there. 301s. And then 79.20 in change. And it gives you a whopping $412.20. 7 days. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so we got $45.26 in gas that we used up. We've got a decent amount of product we replaced. We actually replaced product for more than one location with this collection just because I needed to. And that was about $219.89 for that one. And then we ran in to get soda. The soda is only for this location. We spent $46.70 on that. And that leaves us with a grand total profit net of $100.35. Now keep in mind, we're actually paying for another location's product with us too. So in all reality, the total net profit was probably around $200, which is right around 50%. All right, Bear Squad, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to love life, live your dreams. Peace out. Click on a video, subscribe.